Have you ever wondered how something as simple as reishi mushroom could dramatically improve your health? Just within 8 minutes, we will dive deep into the heart of ancient wellness secrets to uncover the magic of this mushroom. Known as the mushroom of immortality, reishi has been revered for centuries in Eastern medicine for its ability to enhance longevity and boost overall health. But what makes this mushroom so special? Join us on this journey with Natural Education, where we explore the science behind reishi's power, debunk myths, and reveal how you can incorporate this miraculous mushroom into your daily routine. 1. Relieves all the stress and anxiety. Reishi mushrooms are renowned for their soothing and relaxing qualities, and making a cup of the reishi mushroom tea is the perfect way to unwind and de-stress after a long day. Research backs up these claims, especially for individuals dealing with chronic conditions. For instance, in a study with breast cancer survivors, researchers discovered that after 4 weeks of taking reishi, participants saw big drops in anxiety and depression levels. Another study showed that individuals who added reishi to their daily routine felt better overall. Even animal studies back this up. Mice that nibbled on reishi mushrooms had the same calming effects as those taking an anti-anxiety medication. So if you're looking for a natural mood booster and stress reliever, reishi mushroom tea could be your ticket to a calmer, happier vibe. 2. Strengthens immune system. If you tried many different herbs and you still think your immunity is weak, well, there are a few reasons why reishi mushrooms should be considered. They have been studied up and down, and it turns out they're amazing at giving your immune system a serious boost. Packed with bioactive compounds like antioxidants and fiber-rich beta-glucan, reishi mushrooms might just be the secret weapon your body needs. These compounds kickstart your white blood cells into action, which are key players in keeping you healthy. A 2019 review even confirmed that reishi mushrooms can help ramp up the production of immune cells like B and T cells, which are like the frontline soldiers in your body's defense army against infections and illnesses. So if you're looking for a natural way to strengthen your immune system, reishi mushroom tea has got your back. 3. Reduces fatigue. While reishi mushrooms are often praised for their immune-boosting powers, they also have some surprising benefits for your physical and mental fatigue. Their calming effects can help ease all the feelings of fatigue. Many people turn to reishi tea as a natural sleep aid, thanks to its mood-soothing properties. Research suggests that reishi can indeed help you catch some quality Z's by reducing fatigue and promoting overall restfulness, which in turn supports healthy sleep cycles. Multiple studies have shown promising results, especially for patients struggling with sleep issues. These studies suggest that reishi acts as a sleep-promoting factor, while also tackling stress and anxiety that can disrupt sleep quality. For example, a 2012 study involving breast cancer patients found that taking reishi powder led to reduced fatigue, anxiety, and depression, along with an overall improvement in quality of life after just 4 weeks. And talking of improved quality of life, how can we forget reishi's effects on heart health? 4. Improves heart health. A lot of research on mushrooms and heart health has focused on breaking down their components and testing them out, sometimes on animals. And you know what? Many of these studies have shown some pretty promising results. Research has revealed the remarkable health benefits of mushrooms, particularly reishi and oyster varieties. Reishi mushrooms demonstrated an impressive ability to lower blood pressure in rat models, showcasing a substantial reduction of up to 15% in systolic blood pressure levels. Similarly, investigations into oyster mushroom extract uncovered specific proteins associated with a potential decrease in blood pressure, with initial findings indicating a significant reduction of approximately 10% in hypertensive rat models. The discovery of ergothioneine within these mushrooms has sparked widespread interest among scientists. ET, renowned for its potent antioxidant properties, has garnered attention for its potential reclassification as a vitamin due to its profound health impacts. Studies suggest that ET supplementation could lead to a substantial decrease in oxidative stress markers by as much as 30%. Despite the human body's inability to produce ET internally, sophisticated transport mechanisms ensure its efficient delivery to sites requiring cellular repair. That's why sipping on some reishi mushroom tea isn't just good for your heart, it's a great step towards a healthier lifestyle overall. But that's not all. There's another important health factor that reishi mushroom tea can help with. Before we get into that, why not subscribe to Natural Education and take a step towards a healthier you? Trust me, you won't regret it. 5. Helps maintain blood sugar levels. The growing excitement surrounding reishi mushroom tea within the diabetic community is undeniably justified. Emerging studies suggest that reishi mushrooms possess promising properties for stabilizing blood sugar levels, catapulting this distinct tea into the spotlight of medical discourse. Evidence points to the potential of reishi mushrooms in ameliorating insulin resistance, a key factor in diabetes management. By enhancing insulin sensitivity and optimizing its action within the body, reishi mushrooms offer a compelling avenue for effectively lowering blood sugar levels. This intriguing potential not only underscores the significance of reishi mushrooms in the realm of diabetes care, but also sparks hope for novel therapeutic approaches in the ongoing battle against this widespread metabolic disorder. 6. Improves gut and liver health. Renowned for its gut-soothing properties, this tea works wonders in restoring equilibrium, promoting the proliferation of beneficial bacteria, and quelling inflammation. Reishi mushroom tea emerges as a formidable opponent against ulcers instigated by H. pylori bacteria. Rich in beta-glucans, this tea actively fosters the growth of beneficial gut flora, bolstering the resilience and vitality of your digestive system. With its multifaceted benefits, reishi mushroom tea stands as a potent elixir for nurturing gut health and fortifying your body's natural defenses. And let's not forget about the adaptogenic powers of reishi mushroom tea. Your liver works hard every day, from circulating nutrients to processing those weekend indulgences, so it deserves some TLC. 7. Helps fight against cancer. Another remarkable use of reishi mushrooms that often grabs attention is their potential anti-cancer properties. Many people turn to reishi because of its possible ability to fight cancer. In fact, numerous test tube studies have demonstrated that it can induce the death of cancer cells. Moreover, research has explored whether reishi could be beneficial for specific types of cancer, such as prostate and colorectal cancer. This is because reishi mushrooms have effects on inflammation and certain signaling pathways involved in cancer development. What's even more intriguing is that a review suggested that reishi mushrooms might help people with cancer when used alongside traditional treatment. It could achieve this by boosting the activity of white blood cells and enhancing overall quality of life. Scientists think the stuff in reishi mushrooms, like beta-glucans, can stop new blood vessels from growing, as cancer needs those vessels to spread. Also, the oils in the mushrooms might stop tumors from growing and spreading. 8. Makes you young and healthy. Reishi mushrooms have earned nicknames like the King of Herbs and the 10,000-year-old mushroom because they have been highly praised in herbal medicine for ages. People used to think that they could help you live forever. Nowadays, research shows that reishi mushrooms might actually help you live longer by boosting your immune system and stopping abnormal blood vessel growth. Plus, they're full of antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals, which can lead to diseases and make you age faster. So if you're looking to live your best life like Meghan Markle, why not give reishi mushrooms a try? But why halt our journey of discovery here? Let's delve into the fascinating world of another mushroom, the cordyceps fungus. You may have caught a glimpse of it in the captivating series The Last of Us, starring Pedro Pascal. Yet this isn't just fiction, it's a reality waiting to be explored. Is cordyceps merely the stuff of science fiction, or could it pose a real-life threat? Join me as we uncover the truth behind this organism.